Easy hairstyles for the summer that you can do yourself. I saw a bunch of these and I had to recreate them on my hair. So let's begin with the first one. It's ridiculously easy. I did have to practice a couple of times just to make sure I got the maneuvers down, but let's do it together. All you need is a stretchy hair tie. I like these ones a lot from Gimme Beauty because they're stretchy, but they also hold really well in the hair. And they also have it for like fine hair, thick hair. I have the fine hair for my hair because I have fine hair. Let's begin. That's it. Let's watch it again. So you're gonna pick up your hair where you want your bun to sit. You're gonna start securing and you're gonna create like this half up little bun without securing it, but you're gonna hold it with that one hand. Then you take the elastic and you kind of go underneath the ponytail. You start twisting it with the hair tie and then you take it and you secure it. And that's it. It's gonna work out every single time. And then I just like to kind of messy up a little bit in the front, take out some hairs, especially these front pieces, kind of like my fringe. And I'm good to go. This is the easiest low messy bun that still looks beautiful. It looks polished enough, but also looks messy where you made it messy on purpose. Love this hairstyle so much. For this next one, you need a stretchy hair tie and a clip. I'm using this one right here. I got these on Etsy a long time ago and they're still so incredible. Or you can use a bobby pin or a hairpin of sorts. Let's do it. Step one, create your ponytail. I like to create a little bit higher than I think I'm going to, so a little bit below the crown. And then you're going to do an underneath tops and tails. Instead of over, you go under. So split the ponytail in half and then take the ponytail and bring it under through the middle. But instead of going all the way through to create like a tops tail ponytail, you're going to do a little twist with some of your hair still at the very bottom and then take the clip and just secure it one of the sides. That's it. That's how easy it is. And then I'm gonna go turn back around and take some of these front pieces out to help frame my face a little bit better. And that's the hairstyle. It's nice and secure. It's great for wedding. It's great for a date night. It's great for running errands. It's such a versatile hairstyle. Love this one also. I love all of them. This next one is a top messy bun hack. I haven't tried it, but it looks simple enough. So let's recreate it together and see how hack proof it is. Let's see if it actually is a messy bun hack. We need 2 hair elastics and some bobby pins. We're going to create 2 top knots. Yes, 2 top knots up here. Yes, this is where you pin it. All right, let's see what the back looks like. Okay, create the top knots, and then we're going to kind of split them a little bit more. And we're going to bring them through kind of each other, looping them through and hiding the elastics a little bit. Bring this hair towards the back and just start pinning. Yes, this is a hack. And I think it's a beautiful hack. My hair feels secure. I like that it's messy enough, but you can still make it more polished if that's what you prefer. Let's say if you're going to a wedding or a very special event, you can definitely make this a lot more polished. But I like that you can be messy and it looks intentional messy. I hope that makes sense. If you have a lot more hair and thicker hair, your bun is gonna be a lot bigger. But I think if you have hair like myself, it's a little more fine and you don't have as much hair, it's still gonna look very beautiful, and it's a way to make your bun look bigger and a not conventional type of a top messy bun way. I think this is so pretty, and I love that this hair, kind of like from the ponytails, it is still going down and it creates kind of like an updo in a way. But you can totally put those hairs away and pin them away, but I actually like the way the hair is kind of cascading down the back of my head. This one is very beautiful and the hack works. A+ from me. I hope you guys enjoyed recreating these hairstyles with me. As you saw, they're very easy. Yes, some of them you kind of have to play and figure out the twist of your wrist and how to hold the hair tie. But honestly, once you get it down, it is ridiculously easy and you'll never forget the twisting mechan. You will never forget how to twist that hair tie with your hair ever again, because I was struggling a little bit there, but we got it down, and I think all of them are very beautiful in their own way, and they're very easy to recreate on yourself. I hope you guys enjoy these easy hairstyles for the summer, and I'll see you the next one.